The universe changed today. A revelation from the James Webb Space Telescope has sent shockwaves through the scientific world. Humanity's most advanced eye in space, capable of peering billions of years into the past, has now seen something much closer, far more urgent, and entirely unexpected. An object once listed as 3I, ATLAS, the third confirmed interstellar visitor to ever enter our solar system, is now on a direct collision course with Mars. For generations, astronomers have wondered what might happen if a traveler from another star system ever struck one of our own planets. That question is no longer theoretical. It's about to become reality. When 3I, ATLAS was first detected, it was treated as a curiosity. Unlike comets born within the solar system, it came from deep interstellar space, from a region where stars and planets form under alien chemistry and unfamiliar pressure. Its orbit was unusual. Its light was strange. Scientists immediately turned every available telescope toward it, measuring the wavelengths reflected off its frozen, carbon-rich surface. They knew they were observing something ancient, a fragment of another world drifting through the darkness for millions of years. At first, it seemed harmless, a silent traveler merely passing through. But the James Webb Telescope saw what others missed. Using its infrared precision, Webb tracked a subtle change in the object's orbit, tiny deviations invisible to any ground-based telescope. That data revealed a single, unavoidable truth: 3I, Atlas isn't passing by. It's falling. Its trajectory now intersects Mars with mathematical precision. Across observatories worldwide, silence turned into disbelief. A direct impact between an interstellar object and a rocky planet is almost beyond imagination. Mars, already scarred by ancient collisions, is about to face a new visitor from another star. 3I, Atlas is believed to span several kilometers across, moving at tens of kilometers per second. Upon impact, the released energy will rival the most powerful events in planetary history. The explosion will ignite the thin Martian atmosphere, carving a crater hundreds of kilometers wide, a mark visible even from orbit. For the first time in human history, we will witness a planetary collision in real time. The James Webb Telescope, along with orbiters already circling Mars, will capture every stage, from the first blinding flash to the rising dust clouds spreading across the red plains. Instruments aboard the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, the Trace Gas Orbiter, and even the Perseverance rover may record the aftermath as dust storms reshape landscapes we've studied for decades. Mars has almost no protection. Where Earth's atmosphere burns up most meteorites, Mars stands exposed beneath the cosmic wind. 3I, ATLAS will strike the surface at full speed, transferring its kinetic energy directly into the crust. Seismic waves will ripple across the planet, strong enough to be detected by instruments left behind by the InSight lander. For scientists, it's an unplanned experiment, a cosmic collision revealing the hidden structure of Mars, its crust, mantle, and core. But the most exciting part may lie in chemistry, not physics. Because 3I, Atlas isn't just rock and ice. It carries the frozen memory of another solar system, complex organic molecules forged around an alien sun. When that material meets Martian soil, it could spark reactions never before seen in our solar neighborhood. For astrobiologists, this is a dream, a direct delivery of interstellar compounds onto a planet that once had water, and perhaps, life. Even if the impact sterilizes the surface, traces of alien chemistry will remain, samples that future missions can study for generations. This event could strengthen the theory of panspermia, the idea that the seeds of life travel between worlds aboard comets and asteroids. If molecules from another star system can survive the journey and merge with Martian dust, it proves that life's ingredients may flow freely across the galaxy. But beyond the science, this is a moment of awe. When the first interstellar visitor, Oumuamua, passed through our solar system in 2017, it stunned astronomers. The second interstellar visitor, 2I, Borisov, proved that such travelers are real, icy fragments flung away from distant suns long ago. Each one drifts for eons through the galactic dark, carrying within it the frozen chemistry of another world. Now, with 3I, ATLAS locked on a collision course with Mars, we are about to witness something humanity has only ever imagined. The galaxy, once thought to be an empty void between isolated islands of light, is not silent at all. It is an ocean of motion, a sea of drifting worlds, of dust, stone, and ice crossing the spaces between stars. And soon, one of those travelers from that vast ocean will leave its signature upon the red sands of Mars. When the impact comes, the crater left behind will not be ancient or weathered by time. It will be raw, brilliant, and unmistakably new, a scar that tells the story of contact between two star systems. A moment when a traveler born under an alien sun meets a planet shaped by our own. For future explorers walking the Martian surface, that crater will be more than a wound in the ground. It will be a monument, the site where the universe itself reached out across the cosmic void and touched another world. A silent handshake between systems separated by light years, now joined by collision. Mars has always held meaning for humanity. To some, it is the god of war, a world of struggle and conquest. To others, it is a symbol of curiosity and destiny, the next frontier where humans will plant their first footprints beyond Earth. But now, Mars becomes something else entirely. A stage for a cosmic event that dwarfs every story we've ever told about it. Imagine that silent planet, its thin air shimmering under a cold sun. For ages, nothing moves except the wind that whispers across its rust-colored plains. Then, suddenly, a light appears in its sky. Not a sunrise, not a meteor, but a flare brighter than anything the planet has ever seen. A traveler from another star, descending in fire. It is beauty and destruction intertwined, creation through collision. In that single moment, billions of years of cosmic history converge. The dust of one solar system merges with another, rewriting the chemistry of a planet in an instant. And for planetary defense experts, it carries a sobering message. Interstellar objects do not give warnings. They appear from unknown directions, moving faster than anything we can easily track. They don't orbit our sun, they pass through, on paths determined by forces far beyond our solar neighborhood. Mars may be the target this time. But it could just as easily have been Earth. This is the universe reminding us that the solar system is not a sealed chamber. It is open, a crossroads through which the galaxy passes. Particles, comets, and fragments from ancient suns weave through it constantly, unseen, unnoticed, until one day they arrive close enough to make history. And thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, we can finally see them before they arrive. From its position a million miles from Earth, orbiting the L2 point in perpetual balance, Webb's mirrors and sensors pierce the darkness with astonishing precision. It can trace the faintest motion, detect the smallest deviation, and predict where an object will go, even when that object was born around another star. It's more than an instrument. It's a symbol of what human curiosity has built, a bridge between ignorance and understanding. A reminder that, even from this small planet, we have learned to watch the movements of worlds light years away. And now, the entire world will turn its eyes to Mars. Every observatory, every research center, every amateur telescope will focus on a single moment, the instant when alien stone meets red dust. Space agencies will coordinate data across continents. Orbiters circling Mars will capture every flash, every shadow, every plume of vaporized soil rising through the thin atmosphere. For the first time in all of history, an interstellar impact will not be imagination or theory. It will be real, observable, measurable, and shared by all of humanity in one collective gaze. It's more than a scientific milestone. It's a reminder of how deeply connected we are to the universe that made us. The atoms in our bodies were once dust and collapsing stars. Now, those same stars send their fragments our way, as if reminding us of our common origin. The countdown to impact is more than a clock ticking down to an explosion. It is a symbol of human progress, of how far our reach has extended, and how clearly we can now see the machinery of creation at work. From the handmade telescopes of Galileo to the vast golden mirrors of the James Webb, our gaze has stretched from the mountaintop to the edge of time itself. And now, we stand ready to watch an interstellar story unfold before our eyes. When 3I-ATLAS meets Mars, it will not simply be a collision. It will be a message, a cosmic dialogue written in fire and dust, carried across unimaginable distance. A reminder that creation is not always gentle, that sometimes the universe speaks through impact and chaos. The cosmos does not merely show us its wonders. Sometimes, it lets us witness them being born. Soon, Mars will bear witness to something extraordinary, a spectacle written by gravity, time, and chance. And through the eyes of Webb, so will we.